In this problem, they tell us that the larger of two positive integers, less than 1,000, is 3 more than the smaller. The larger integer is a multiple of 47, the smaller is a multiple of 23. So determine the sum of the two integers. So let's call them A, B, and C. A and B. Now we know that A, whatever it is a multiple of 23, and B is a multiple of 47. So what's the first multiple of each? Well, the first multiple is 23 and 47. What's the next multiple? 46 and 94. Now here's something important to point out. This is a multiple of B, this could be B and this could be A, but notice that they differ by 1. We want them to differ by 3. So we want to keep looking to see where they will differ. So let's keep going with this. B has to be larger. We know that. Right now, if we chose this, B would be 1 unit larger. We need it 3 larger. So let's keep putting down a few more multiples. 69, 141, 92. Now stop right there. If we look at these two, here's a multiple of 23, here's a multiple of 47. Now they're 2 apart. So it looks like all we need to do is go a little further and they'll be 3 apart. 115 and 138. And there we go. Here we have 138, which is a multiple of 23, and 141, that's a multiple of 47, and they are indeed 3 apart. And the problem says determine the sum of these two integers. So 138 plus 141 equals 279. There's our answer, and we're done.